2225 Mundare. So they're starting the epoxy. They're just prepping it. Everything has to be dry and clean and all of that. Here at the doorbell, they're supposed to be painting it because it was all white and just not pretty. So now they're patching over that. The deadbolt, the open door deadbolt is gone. There's no marks there. They've recocked at the kitchen sink, as you can see. There was also a landscaping cleanup. Oh, wait, one more. And they're working on this drawer right here. Okay. Okay. So the trash has been picked up and there's no weeds in the driveway.